today, so I don't drive. I take the train because of the traffic. For me to have a peace of mind, it's about the break for every 2 seconds. I take the train. So, I just got off work, and as you can see, I take the train, and so I going to stop by the grocery store, do a little grocery shopping while I'm already out, and then I'm gonna take it to the house. Right? I made it back home, and this is my little grocery haul. Got some canned goods, green beans, pasta, mushroom sauce, some kale, sweet tea, frozen shrimp, chicken wings, more canned good, field peas and snaps, green beans, some squash, salmon, ginger, cabbage, White Castle burgers, some broccoli, cheese, rutabaga, and spaghetti squash. Oh, and some potatoes down there. So that is my little grocery haul. Who don't feel like cooking is me. It's like 8 o'clock, just getting home. Just put the groceries up in the freezer, in the cabinet, and whatever. So I'm about some Popeye's chicken for dinner. And then I'm going to take a shower. And, well, you know, it's time to go to bed. What's up, good people? I hope your Saturday morning is going pretty well thus far. I'm about to go get my hair done. As you can see, get the usual protein treatment and styles. I think I'm with curls this time, so get me some curls in my head. But other than that, not too much I'm doing today. Just to do that, I think I'm gonna have to run to the grocery store, get a few things, and then I'm gonna come on home and chill out for the rest of the day. Catch y'all later. I am all back from getting my hair done and went to the grocery store. Just got little things from mom and dad, and I'm back home, and now I'm about to polish my toes. As you see, this time I got a little curl action going on. Change it up a little bit. Yeah, so I really like it. I used to wear weave, not a whole lot, but mostly crochet braids when I had went natural years ago now. But I did used to wear crochet a lot, and then I said I want to wear my real hair, and so for the past maybe a couple of years, I just really been wearing my real hair, while I throw on a ponytail, when it's quick and rushing and want something to be done look decent after I wash my hair and don't go get it done. I may throw on a ponytail, but other than that, I like my real hair. I think it's a good length and everything. Only thing I don't like is the gray, but I'm learning how to embrace the grays. You know, I had gray hair since I was a little girl, so it really ain't nothing new, but it just like, I ain't old. So I got gray hair, but anyway, so I am about to polish my toes. Let's pick a color. Let's see what colors we got up in here. I really need to go through this and throw some of this stuff out. Some of the stuff is really old, sticky and stuff. This was what I bought last week. Let's try this one. I bought this color last week because I was planning on polishing my toes. I was going to do this last week, but I didn't get around to it. I hope it's not too pink, hot pinkish, because then I'm not going to like it. So I'm going to test it out on my finger right quick. It's pretty. Not hot pink, and I got a couple of coats of it. It really look nice. I'm gonna take this off my fingernail because I don't polish my fingernails. They don't stay. It probably lasts a day and then it start peeling. So I'm like, what's the point? Anyway, I'm gonna start polishing my toes. What's up, you guys? I'm on my way to Ulta with Kyree. Hey, Kyree. Which way I go? I'm gonna go left. Kyree wanted to go get some makeup so she can get razzle dazzle and everything. So that's where we're going. She wanted me to ride with her, so I said, yeah, nothing else to do, not too long out for it. And so we're just out and about for a little bit. See you at Ulta. See what Kyree is. Good morning, good people. Needless to say, when we went to Ulta yesterday, Kyree didn't really buy anything. I think she just bought like lip gloss. She just stated like nobody there was kind of like trying to help her, and so she just waiting on her friend when she go home next week to help her pick out some makeup that would match her skin tone and everything. So I just went along to tag along. But anywho, I'm about to go wash my car this morning on this gloomy, foggy, cloudy morning. It's all good. Blessed to see another day. All right, let's go. I'm getting my car wash at the car wash. Yeah, 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 yeah. At the car wash, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. So glad I got my car wash. It has been months